Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 must-have products for home, garden, and outdoor enthusiasts. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Camping Rain Jacket. When you're out camping, fishing, or hunting, having the right clothing is essential. The Camping Rain Jacket is designed to provide both comfort and protection in unpredictable weather. This jacket is waterproof and features a sun protection coating, making it ideal for outdoor adventures in all seasons. The quick-dry fabric ensures you stay dry and comfortable even when you're exposed to rain or high humidity. Additionally, its windbreaker function is perfect for windy conditions, while the built-in pockets give you convenient storage for small items. Whether you're hiking or simply spending time outdoors, this jacket offers a versatile and functional option. Number 5. Floating Solar Fountain. If you're looking to enhance the beauty of your garden or pond, the floating solar fountain is a fantastic addition. This solar-powered fountain provides a unique way to decorate your outdoor space with a beautiful water feature. The floating design allows the fountain to blend seamlessly with your pond or bird bath, offering both functionality and visual appeal. The adjustable water height feature allows you to customize the fountain's spray between 30 to 60 centimeters, catering to different aesthetic preferences. Powered by a 1-watt single-crystal silicon solar panel, this fountain ensures efficient performance even in direct sunlight. It's also easy to maintain thanks to its easy-to-clean pump, which ensures long-lasting operation. Number 4. New Bee M50 Bluetooth Headset. For those who need reliable audio on the go, the new Bee M50 Bluetooth Headset is a must-have. This wireless headset, featuring Bluetooth 5.2 technology, offers seamless connectivity with a range of up to 20 meters. The dual microphones ensure clear communication even in noisy environments, while the CVC 8.0 noise-canceling feature blocks out unwanted background noise. With about 24 hours of talk time and 22 hours of music time on a full charge, this headset is perfect for long calls or extended music sessions. It's also designed for comfort, making it ideal for work, travel, or leisure. If you're looking for a headset that combines performance with convenience, the new Bee M50 is a great choice. Number 3. Laxihub 1080p IP Camera. If you're in the market for a reliable home security solution, the Laxihub 1080p IP camera delivers top-notch surveillance features. With crystal-clear 1080p HD resolution and night vision capabilities, this camera ensures that you can monitor your home or office 24/7. The two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with anyone at your door or within the range of the camera. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, providing you with hands-free control. The camera also supports motion and sound detection, sending real-time alerts directly to your phone. Additionally, it offers flexible storage options with a max 128GB SD card and 3 months of free cloud storage. For anyone looking to secure their property with ease, this camera is a reliable and affordable option. Number 2. OEM LCD Solar Controller. For those who rely on solar energy, the OEM LCD Solar Controller is an essential tool. This 28 MPPT charge controller is compatible with 12-volt, 24-volt solar panels and offers enhanced efficiency with up to 30% more energy than ordinary controllers. It automatically tracks the maximum power point, ensuring that your solar system operates at peak performance. The intelligent energy-saving design reduces power consumption, making it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Number 1. ClUBIONA MD02GS Laser Level. For all your DIY projects, the ClUBIONA MD2GS Laser Level offers precise and reliable measurements. This portable laser level features both horizontal and vertical cross lines, ensuring you get accurate readings every time. It boasts a high accuracy of -1.5 millimeters over 5 meters, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The green laser beam is visible even in bright outdoor conditions, which is a significant advantage over traditional red lasers. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.